Hello, and welcome to Cybereason Vulnerability Management Platform, your centralized view into software risk across your organization. Why choose Cybereason Vulnerability Management? We have an integrated workflow that is built directly into our existing endpoint protection platform. The tool accurately identifies applications with common vulnerabilities and exposures and shifts the focus from reacting to attacks towards proactively identifying and mitigating the weaknesses that attackers can exploit. We provide clear patching recommendations and combine our real-time threat detection with the continuous vulnerability assessment. These assessments are automated in order to streamline the vulnerability management process. Now let's take a look at the solution. At first glance, the dashboard gives us a high-level summary. First, a color-coded bar chart shows the number of CVEs by criticality. Next is a breakdown of vulnerable applications across your endpoints. And lastly, a breakdown of the operating system types affected. Moving to the Vulnerabilities tab, an additional graph is shown that displays how many CVEs have been exploited within your environment. Now let's dig into the CVE list. Each row contains a unique vulnerability sorted by severity. You can see whether the CVE has been exploited, along with associated products and versions. We'll also include a CVSS score and an OPSWAT severity score. Clicking on the CVE will open a side panel with detailed descriptions, release notes, and a way to view the affected machines. Clicking on the CVE link will open a pop-up that includes patch notes and a link to download the patch. If you do need to take any of this information offline and share it with your team, just hit the export option. This will generate a CVE of all the vulnerabilities observed. You can filter to only export specific vulnerabilities, or all of the data can be exported through the export all option. Now let's move to the application view. Opening a row and clicking on it will display a side panel of collapsible CVEs. Clicking on the CVE again will allow you to download the patch, but additional information is also available around the release notes for the patch and the affected machines. Selecting affected machines will redirect us to the Machine tab with the relevant option already selected. Clearing our filters, we're able to see all of the machines within the environment. Here we can filter by machines, identify systems that are affected, their status, and what OS each device is running. Selecting the machine will show application vulnerabilities that are present on this device. This will help your patching teams or your infrastructure teams with patching efforts. So to summarize, with intuitive views, powerful export options, and an easy way to download patches, this platform makes it easy to identify, prioritize, and respond to vulnerabilities quickly. Thank you for the time today.